walk down to the end of the block with that.
I'm cold. How are you guys doing?
We're doing amazing.
Amazing. I'm coming with you.
Dude, I'm moving so much you can barely tell. Some fat lady.
Ew, she lives there?
I don't know. No, I doubt she lives here. Uglies.
Oh no, it's Janae.
Stealing up on her.
Dude, you guys have to see how tall Janae is.
I know how tall she is. I hate her.
You hate Janae. I swear to God.
She pushed Michaela down and tried to hump her. Yeah. Hey, remember she said not to be so... Watch, it never works for me. Let me see this.
Oh, you got it. Look, look. Hey, Chelsea.
What?
I'm not doing it again. Did you see us after work? We thought out there?
Do we smell like the outside?
Yes, we do. There's another jacket.
Oh my god.
You need to do a video about the toilets flushing.
Why? Toilet.
I just ran into a wall.
You ran into a
Yeah.
ran into a wall.
Yeah. Ran into it. Me and you are so stupid. Me and you were stupid. I ran
know
into
it.
this wall right here. Because it's like so awesome.
Right here.
No, I mean my boyfriend. I mean my
Your girlfriend.
I mean my boyfriend.
Ashley has a girlfriend.
No, I don't.
She just said she did.
I meant to say boyfriend.
When's Kira and Lacey and stuff coming? Kira's not coming. Lacey is.
Well,
Is Mommy
Lacey.
still coming?